In this video, let's talk about how you can link your iPhone with your iPad in the Find My application. Now, the way that it works is that all of your devices which are signed in with the same Apple ID are part of this Find My network. So no matter if you start with the iPhone and want to look up the iPad on the map or the other way around, it should work as long as you have it signed in with the same account as I said, and also that you have the Find My settings enabled. But essentially on both devices, you need to make sure that the Find My is turned on as a feature. So you can open up the settings, let's say on the iPad at first, and then you will need to head over to your profile section inside of the settings, which is like the first thing on the list. Then tap on the Find My right there, and you just want to make sure that the first toggle is turned on, because you can expand it and you can disable it, right? So you can, for example, turn off the Find My network as well as Find My iPad, and that means that this specific device will no longer show up on the map, so you won't be able to find it on other devices, right? So the link will simply not be there. So yeah, you need to make sure you have that. And also on the iPhone as well, like the very same things apply here, where you also need to make sure in the very same settings page that you have the proper settings turned on, as well as the, Find My network and Find My turned on as well, right? So you can also just turn on the location sharing, but there are some other options which are not really that necessary. So this is how you can link the iPhone and iPad in your Find My. Now, whenever you open up the app on each device, you will be able to see the other one on the map. So it's going to be very intuitive. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. For more videos like this one, consider subscribing to this channel below. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to catch you in the next one.